You know what they say, don't play with fire, especially if fire is playing with your house. This maintenance tip is real simple. The fire department likely won't be to your house the second there's a fire. You need to be able to take action right away. And filling up a pot of water one at a time isn't a good call either. So how about this? Have a fire extinguisher in your house. It's probably a great idea to have one in the kitchen, one in the laundry room, maybe even one in the garage. That's one of those things that you don't know how bad you need it until you need it. Don't risk it. If you're an A+ student and already have fire extinguishers, congratulations, you get a gold star for the day. But when's the last time you actually looked at your fire extinguisher? Does it look like this? Back to our example above. Your home is on fire. You run to your fire extinguisher and it goes, you look down and see this. Ouch. Check your fire extinguishers. There's no need to be a fire statistic. Thank you for watching this episode. See you on the next video where we make sure you don't get crushed by your garage door like I did as a kid. Don't miss it. See you then.